I'm not lying.
Hello, this is Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757, standing with a wonderful customer. A lot of people do not know their year and make model of their vehicle. They might have lost the paperwork or whatever. If you go to your driver's side door, it's going to be sitting right there. If it's not sitting right there, it's going to be somewhere sitting right here. And I'm going to go to another vehicle and I'm going to show you, but it's the same thing. This vehicle right here is sitting right there, but it tells you the year, make, model, and engine size. If it's been rubbed off and you don't have the paperwork, when you go to Advance or AutoZone, they will ask you for your license plates. You can just give that to them and they can pull up information on your vehicle. Or your VIN number is going to be sitting right here, or your VIN number will be sitting right there. If you like this videos, please like, subscribe, and share, and please leave positive comments. Thank you.